Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If I sound a little bit under the weather, I am, so I apologize for that. I am going to just be cleaning up my desk with you guys, and we're just going to be doing a little bit of, just organizing and cleaning up. And this is from the last stamping video that I had done. I'm so sorry, excuse the way that I sound. I'm actually doing much better than what I was doing, so I apologize, so bear with me. So just a little organizing here, and then we are going to be doing a little bit of a prep video. I don't believe that I've ever done, just kind of a prep video before a nail enhancement. So that's something that I wanted to really share with you all. So this is what we are going to do. So we are going to just kind of split the video in half. I'm just going to have the organizing done in the beginning of the video, as you see here, and then we are going to get into the prep. So don't you worry, enjoy the video, and I'm just going to lay some music over this video because I am under the weather, and I know that that can be a little, I don't want to say any words that are going to be offensive, but, I'm under the weather and I don't really know if that's going to be enjoyable. So enjoy the video. Would just want to pop in and say that I am working on figuring out a better way for me to store my stamping plates. This container is definitely very heavy. I would like to find, I'm not really sure because stamping plates can get heavy when you put them together. So I'm thinking maybe some sort of photo album, just like I want to store, my stickers. I want to get a really big giant photo album, something or somehow. I don't really know, but for now this is working for me. But I definitely want to figure out a different system for all of my stamping plates because I am growing a collection and I don't want them all over the place. I kind of want them together, and again, they do get heavy, so I need to figure something out. But for now, that will be their home, and that's how we are going to store them. The second shelf that you see there is all full of collaborations, PR, packages, and things. So I need to figure out kind of a system for that too. If I can move all of the things from there, put them somewhere else, then I will have more space to clear off my desk. I do have a couple of things on my desk that I don't really want there. They're not really in my way, I just don't really want them there. This is kind of like my stamping box, so everything that has to do with stamping is in here. So I have extra stampers, stamper heads, and things like that. This is an adorable stamper that has like cute little diamonds in it, so I thought that was super cute. I can't remember where I got it from, either Temu or Shein. I want to say Temu. Here are more stampers and just lint rollers. This is a giant lint roller here. I love that thing so much. I mean, it's not a lint roller per se, but it's, it's got sticky paper inside just like a lint roller would, so it's not technically a lint roller, but I do use it for stamping, and I'm assuming that's how, when they designed this, I'm assuming that they made it for stamping, and it's perfect for stamping. The only thing is that when it runs out, I don't know where to get another roll from. There we go, that's much better, a little bit more organized. I am working on like a separate little box or container on the side for when I do want to do stamping videos. I don't have to grab from everywhere. So I want to work on having like a little container that I can have my stamper, my scraper, my cotton claw, everything that I need for a stamping video. So again, I don't have to like grab things from all over the place because I do have tools in certain areas, and then I have, most of my stamping things in that main box. But then I do have other areas that I do keep like a couple of stampers and things, so I don't always have to go into that big box, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna try to work on that. This is going to be the start of my prep portion of the video. I hope you guys enjoy and let me know what you think. love this Model 1's lamp. You just have to be very careful because I got a couple heat spikes, but it is great. It is convenient. It is strong, powerful. It is portable. I love it so, so, so very much. The only thing that I wish was that the top of the Model 1's light or lamp, if it was just a little bit taller, we just need a little bit more clearance because for me, it's hard to see it's kind of hard to see my nail and push on it at the same time because it kind of blocks your view, if that makes any sense. So, and I have to turn the lamp to the side to use it. So, but other than that, I love it so much.
It's nice in here.
If you watched this video so far, thank you. Thank you, thank you so, so very much. I'm pointing out right here that I'm having a little bit of a hand issue. I definitely have to let my doctor know about that. That's been happening to me for a while. I used to work in a hospitality, setting, atmosphere. And it started then and it just has been continuing. So I need to check on that. Plus, when you're, in this position right here and you're trying to do your nails, it is a little bit, of a discomfort. So I need to check on that. Plus, I use certain things at work that I'm constantly having to move my hands all the time. So that also is discomforting. So maybe I can just get like a little brace or something for my hand. I need to definitely check on that ASAP. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video if you can. Leave a comment down below if you'd like. Turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified every time that I upload so you do not miss a beat. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.